Hello, my fellow Odooers, and welcome back. Following our course on how to customize your projects in Odoo, it's high time you learn more about how to manage your project stages and statuses. Curious to see how it works, Adrian?
Oh, hi, Richie. Hi, everybody. I'm so curious. Tell me it has something to do with our beloved Kanban.
Oh, yes, definitely. So first thing to know, Odoo Project allows you to configure project stages to better organize your Kanban view. You can also update the status of your projects directly from the board to track their progress effortlessly. Now that we're all ready, let's jump into our database to see how it's done. So first things first, as always, dive straight into the project module. So in this use case, let's pretend that we are a construction company making buildings and putting them together for other businesses. Now, of course, in this instance, each of these particular projects are going to be one project, each with their own stages and tasks within them. However, that doesn't give us a good high-level overview of what the project is doing. So for that, we'll turn on the project stages. We'll go to under Configuration and Settings, and then here we have Project Stages. We'll save that, and once we have done that, we can then actually take a look at the stages here, which is also existing under the Configuration and Project Stages there. Now, the default ones are the standard ones you'd expect from New, In Progress, Done, Canceled. I've decided to change them and add my own. One thing to notice is that there's a Boolean folded in Kanban, which will essentially default that stage into a folded manner. The reason for that is to kind of declutter your screen for stuff that you don't really need to look at. For example, done and canceled, you don't need to look at them on a regular basis, so fold them and then unfold them when you need to. So let's go take a look at them in the Kanban view. There we have it. So we have the different stages: project development, under construction, and inspection. So we could, just like anything else, every time there's a Kanban view, you can add your own column, such as procurement, a very important part of any construction job. Then we will drag it between project development and procurement. So now, for example, if we wanted to look at the done stage, we can actually unfold it if we wanted to see how things are going, and even click on the gear icon to see some statuses. For example, fold it again, edit, delete, archive all, or unarchive. It's nice because if I want to kind of declutter, remove older projects that I don't need to look at on a regular basis, I can quickly archive all. And it's going to confirm if I want to do that, and voila, it's gone. Now, next thing I want to do is take a look at the inspection stage, because we want to notify our clients when we're going to perform an inspection. So if we click on the gear icon and edit, we'll take us to this screen. Just like with the task stages and also in the help desk module, you have email templates and SMS templates you can utilize. In this instance, what's going to happen is the moment a project moves into this stage, we're going to send an email automatically. The SMS template works identically, except it just sends a text message. So for example, let's move the Odoo University into inspection. Now if we open it up, we can see that the email was sent.
Oh, brilliant. That's the kind of notifications we want to receive, right, Richie?
Absolutely.
Now, can you tell us more about the project status?
Definitely. So for the statuses, you can see the little button here. So if we select it, you can see the different color codings and what they represent. Orange will be at risk. You'll have red for off track, blue for on hold, and the classic green for on track. And depending on the status of it, it will also impact the color coding up top. So you always have a high bird's eye view of each stage and what projects are where. There you have it, folks. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. You've seen some cool tips and tricks to organize your project Kanban view in cool and interesting ways. And please stay tuned for Adrian and I in our next videos. And as always, stay awesome.